Have you ever needed to make a quick change to a PDF, but realized you don't have expensive PDF editing software? Whether you want to update text, add new content, or make small corrections, editing PDF files can often be difficult. But don't worry, today I'll show you an easy solution. Softaken Edit PDF Online free. The problem: PDF files are widely used because they preserve formatting across different devices. However, editing them isn't always simple. Many PDF editors require software installation, paid subscriptions, or complicated steps. If you only need to make a quick edit, downloading heavy software can waste both time and storage space. The solution: Softaken Edit PDF Online free solves this problem by letting you edit your PDF directly from your web browser. There's no software installation required. Simply upload your PDF, make the necessary changes, and download the edited file in just a few clicks. The tool is designed to provide a fast, simple, and user-friendly editing experience. Benefits: Softaken Edit PDF Online free offers everything you need in one browser-based workspace. Edit, organize, and annotate PDFs with ease. Your files stay private and are processed securely. Free to use with no sign-up required. Add text, highlights, drawings, images, and signatures. Reorder, rotate, merge, or delete pages. Preview changes instantly before downloading. Works directly in Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. How to use: Step 1. Upload your PDF and open it instantly in the browser. Step 2. Edit, organize, highlight, draw, add text, insert images, or sign your PDF. Step 3. Download the edited PDF with all your changes saved. No account required. No installation needed. Just upload, edit, and download. If you're looking for a fast, simple, and reliable way to edit PDF files online, Softaken Edit PDF Online free is definitely worth trying. It saves time, requires no installation, and makes PDF editing easy for everyone. Thanks for watching.